By Thursday, Xi'an, capital of northwest China's Shaanxi province, has reported over 1,200 locally transmitted COVID-19 cases in the latest resurgence since December 9. The city has upgraded epidemic control and prevention measures starting Monday. To ensure the supply of daily necessities amid lockdown in Xi'an, companies and individuals across China are lending their hands by delivering food and items to residents and workers on frontline against COVID-19 to the city. In a prompt response, a food company in Nanyang, Henan Province, recently organized nearly 1,000 tons of noodles and flour being transported to Xi'an.
当我们看到新闻，西安将因为疫情实行封闭式管理，我们立即紧急调集100多吨面条，连夜驰援西安。到目前为止，保供面条将近1000吨。在国家需要、老百姓有需求的时候，我们必须履行粮食企业的责任和担当。
A total of 420,000 warm pad and 480 heaters were donated and sent to Xi'an recently to frontline workers.
西安天气这么冷，天寒地冻的，那我想我们这些在一线的这些防疫监测人员，他们肯定冷，所以就出于这个初心，能给他们送点温暖，给他们一些这个保护。
After a villager from Shandong donated 50 tons of Chinese cabbage to help Xi'an fight the epidemic, another 20 tons of onions were sorted and packaged on Thursday, before being transported to the city.
这是带着爱心捐的，俺都是义工，带着爱心捐这个葱，心里是热乎乎的。